Kavindani ka Kenya Aingi, Maendeeye na Kunyungunyisya Yiulu wa Kisomo Kutolongana va Kenya President William Ruto Niwakathiia Silikali Yake. Aiweta Ithinikiite Mathina Onthe ala Maneekumbiite Kisomo cha CBE na Kuete Utheu Kisomoni. President Ruto ingi Niwakathiia Silikali Yake iandikite Alimu na no Yende na kuongela Aingi. Nikana Kumina Unyivu wa Alimu ula Withiitwe kwa Myaka mingi na Ingi Kuendeea na Kwaka Ilasi Masukuluni Onthe. Mumo na ilivoti.
Ainena Kavindani kalae vikete skuluni wa imwana wa Thika kaunti ya Kiambu chathini cha kutani ya miaka miongo mwonza kuma skulu wa ambia President William Ruto niwaweta kana Silikali Yake ni Ithinikiite Mathina Onthe alama na Kisomoni cha CBE na Kuete Utheu nthini wacho.
There were 4 serious challenges that were facing our education system. There was a challenge with CBC, there was a challenge with classrooms, there was a challenge with teachers, and there was a challenge with funding. 4 serious issues. And we have tackled each and every one of them systematically. We have aligned CBC. Today there is clarity on how our students are going to transition. We have improved the education system. I am a very solid believer in competence-based education.
Ingi President Ruto niwaweta kana Silikali Yake niende kuthinikia unyivu wa Alimu ula Withiitwe wikumbilite masukulu vamwe na Ilasi sya kusomea amanyiwa.
We have employed 100,000 teachers in the last 3 years. We are employing another 20,000 teachers this year to make sure that we close the gap on teacher numbers. We had very serious challenges of learning spaces, classrooms. We have built 23,000 classrooms across the country, and I'm very happy that we will be building some classrooms in Thika today.
Mutongo ywa ala aingi mbungene nene Kimani ichungwa na keni wa Mukathiia President Ruto Aiweta kana Kisomo kinavaluka va Kenya unguwa Silikali mbituku.
Your Excellency, standing on a higher ground, you have been able to resolve many of the challenges that bedevil our education sector, right from our primary schools, high schools, all the way to our tertiary and higher education institutions. It is no mean feat, Your Excellency, in about 2.5 years to build 23,000 classrooms across all schools in our country, Your Excellency.
We should have students from across the country going out there to realize and appreciate and know that this country is a cocktail of communities, is a cocktail of individuals, is a cocktail of great men and women that form the family called Kenya. And encourage everybody that whoever engages in tribal bigotry in the exercise of public leadership should have no space in our country.
Ndilivoti ya vilingi wa movo Mutongo TV nitawa Anet Mumo.